Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at how to use Fireberry CRM. Ever wonder how to keep all your business operations organized in one place? Fireberry is a CRM platform that helps you do just that. It brings together all your sales, service, and marketing data into one easy-to-use system. By combining all this information, Fireberry gives you a complete 360 view of your customers, helping you make smarter decisions and grow your business. At the top of the Fireberry website, you will find the following main navigation tabs. Platform. This section offers a detailed overview of Fireberry's CRM capabilities, emphasizing its role in delivering a unified customer view by integrating sales, service, and marketing data. Solutions tailored to address the unique needs of various industries. This section provides insights into how Fireberry's CRM can be customized for sectors such as real estate, nonprofit, education, insurance, retail, and call centers. Each solution highlights specific features designed to enhance industry-specific operations. Resources. Fireberry offers a wealth of resources, including a help center, blog, developer, toolkit, academy, customer stories, glossary, partners, and a status page. These resources are designed to assist users in maximizing the platform's potential, staying informed about updates, and engaging with the Fireberry community. Pricing. This section provides transparent information about Fireberry's pricing plans, catering to business of all sizes. Plans include a free tier as well as standard, professional, and enterprise options, each offering a range of features to suit different business needs. Fireberry offers a variety of pricing plans to accommodate diverse business requirements. Free plan, ideal for personal use. This plan offers over 100 components, supports up to 3 projects, and includes features like interactions and CMS content. Standard plan, price at $35 per user per month, minimum 3 users, annual billing. It includes all free plan features plus up to 10,000 accounts, pipeline management, tasks, meetings, calendar, ticket management, project management, and custom fields. Professional plan at $45 per user per month, minimum 5 users, annual billing. This plan encompasses all standard plan features, adding support for up to 200,000 accounts, e-sign document sending, custom page creation, automatic email notifications, custom objects, summary and formula fields, and conditional rules for forms and fields. Enterprise plan, starting at $75 per user per month, minimum 10 users, annual billing. It includes all professional plan features, unlimited accounts, 500 automations, unlimited tickets, 50 calendar resources, and advanced data security options, custom button creation, and time-based automations. In order for us to know more about this website, click Sign Up. Make sure to input all the details here and then choose your industry type. How many people are there in your business and your business name. After that, you'll be directed in the dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find several key options to help you manage your workflow and track progress. Here's a simple breakdown of each option. Number 1. Accounts. This section lets you manage and organize all your business accounts. You can store important details about each account, such as company information, contacts, and associated deals. 2. Contacts. Here you can manage individual contacts. This could include customers, clients, or leads. You can track communication, add notes, and manage important details about each contact. 3. Deals. The Deals section allows you to track ongoing sales or business opportunities. You can manage the progress of each deal, set stages, and see where each opportunity stands in your sales pipeline. Or tickets. In this section, you can manage customer support requests and tickets. It helps you keep track of any issues or inquiries your customers have, ensuring that all problems are resolved efficiently and on time. 5. Task. This option is where you can create and manage tasks for yourself or your team. You can set due dates, assign responsibilities, and track task progress to make sure everything gets done. 6. Calendar. The calendar section lets you manage appointments, meetings, and deadlines in one place. It integrates with your tasks and automations to ensure everything is scheduled and organized. 7. Dashboards. This is where you can view the overall performance of your business. Dashboards provide a visual overview of your key metrics, such as sales progress, customer interactions, and task completion. 8. Automations. You can set up rules to automate repetitive tasks like sending follow-up emails, updating deals, or assigning tasks. This helps streamline your workflow and save time. 9. More. This option includes additional features and settings that allow you to customize and optimize Fireberry to fit your business needs. It is where you can explore advanced options and integrations. Each of these sections plays a crucial role in helping you manage your customer relationships and keep your operations running smoothly. Using the Accounts section in Fireberry is simple and easy to navigate. To get started, click on the Add Account button to create a new account. Here, you can fill in important details like the account name, contact information, and any relevant notes. Once you are finished, save the account. After adding accounts, they will appear in the Accounts section, where you can click on any account to view or update details, and even link contacts, deals, or tickets to keep everything connected. If you need to make changes, you can easily edit the account by clicking the Edit button, or delete it by selecting the Delete option. To stay organized, you can filter or tag accounts to group similar ones together, making it quicker and easier to find what you need. With these features, the Accounts section helps you stay on top of your business relationships and manage all relevant information in one place. Managing contacts, deals, tickets, and other sections in Fireberry is pretty much the same as managing accounts. Easy and hassle-free. To add something new in any of these sections, just look for the plus sign, click on it, and fill in the necessary details. Be sure to enter complete and accurate information, then hit save. It is like writing a short message to your future self, but more organized. If you need to edit something, just click on the three little dots, the magic menu, next to the item and select Edit. It is like making a quick tweak to a photo, but way more productive. And if you are feeling bold and want to delete something, simply click Delete. Type Delete to confirm. Because yes, Fireberry wants to make sure you are absolutely sure, and it is gone. Simple as that. Keep everything neat, organized, and under control. Fireberry's got your back. And that is all there is on how to use Fireberry CRM. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Goodbye for now.